So we have just checked into the Alpine Motel in Wanaka. So when you walk in, you've got a couch and a bed and a TV on the left-hand side, plus you've got some air conditioning. There's also a coat rack. And then over here, you've got another small chair, you've got the window, and you've got another couch right there. Oh, this one's a sofa bed actually. Huh, interesting. And this is a table for 4 people. You've got 1 bedroom here. That's pretty spacious. So you've got the bed in there. Looks like it's a double bed. And then you've got another bed in there, a mirror. And you've got a bit of a view at the back. And then you've got, must be like a wardrobe. Let's see what it is. Yep, and you've got a wardrobe in there. You can put your clothes in there. You've got the luggage stands. There's like another heater. There's another chair for some reason. You've got more pillows, more blankets. You've got hangers. And then when you walk out of that second bedroom, you have a full-sized fridge. You've got an oven, a stovetop, a kettle, you've got a microwave, you've got tea and coffee facilities there, you've got a sink. So it's just a mini kitchenette. And then over here, oh wow. So you've got the bathroom. So you've got the sink in there. You have a full-sized mirror. And then you've got a toilet. And then you've got a shower. And you've got a pretty big shower. And like all the hotels that we have been at, they give you the complimentary body wash, hair wash and conditioner bottles, which is pretty cool. Must be like a standard for each hotel. So that is going to be our home for the next night. So we're only just staying here for one night. So this is where we're going to be staying for tonight. And then tomorrow we're off to Lake Tekapo.
Morning guys. Another beautiful day here in New Zealand, South Island. We just woke up in Wanaka. We stayed at the Alpine Motel here in Wanaka. It is centrally located to absolutely everything here in town. It's about a 5-minute walk down that way, down the road to the lake, and then also all the shops and the restaurants. There's a few rooms here. It is a motel, it's not a hotel. Some tables out here where you can sit with the family and enjoy it. There's 3 Webbers in total, which is pretty cool. There's a netball hoop. I don't think you can play basketball given it's all gravel, but there's a netball hoop, and there's all these toys for the kids as well. We booked this through Expedia because we had points accrued from our Japan trip. This cost us nothing, so it was a win-win for us. I'm not sure if you can see behind me, but the view that we have is basically of the mountains, and the lake is just down there as well. We'll put a link in the description down below how you can book this place if you're ever traveling between Queenstown and Lake Tekapo. Highly recommend it. It's a great stopover.